Want to stop friends from automatically joining your Roblox games? In 60 seconds I'll show you how. Step 1. Open Roblox and click the gear icon at the top right to open settings. Step 2. In settings, select the privacy tab from the left column. Step 3. Find the who can join me option and change it from friends or everyone to no one. Step 4. Confirm the change, settings save automatically, so you can simply close settings. Step 5. Test it quickly by asking a friend to try joining your game to confirm auto-join is disabled. On mobile the steps are the same. Open the menu, go to settings, then privacy, and set who can join me to no one. If your account is under 13, some controls may be managed by account restrictions or parental settings. Check with the parent account. Also check in-game social menus. Some games offer a join in-game option you can disable inside the game's menu. If changes don't take effect, try logging out and back in or updating the Roblox app to the latest version. Tip: you can still join friends manually. Disabling auto-join just stops them from appearing in your session automatically. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, check your Roblox privacy settings now, and stay in control of your gaming experience.